Okay, this is stock number 8-125K. This is a 2011 Mazda 3 base model. It's got the 2-liter California emissions. Had it running for a few minutes now. I'd say probably about 20 minutes. A little high on the miles, 199, 291, but there's no check engine light. This thing was a left front, left rear hit. And looks like it probably could use some motor mounts. You can't feel the shaking inside the car at all, but it does look like it shakes a tiny bit, but that could also be because stuff's maybe not quite in line like it should be as far as cross member and stuff. I mean, that wheel's pushed back pretty hard. The transmission I can't test on the road because of the suspension damage, but I mean, I can show you that it does engage and it goes forwards and backwards just fine. That's reverse, and that's forwards. It's pretty much locked right where it is though. I mean, that wheel's stuffed pretty good, but I mean, yard test's fine. If we sell the tranny, I'm thinking we'll probably pull the pan just to make sure it's all right, but I don't foresee any issues. So good drivetrain, I guess.